This is a 2015 Audi A4 with the 2.0 turbo. We just did the muffler deletes on it, left the factory cats on there, put a single chamber V2 muffler, give it some rumble, deleted the rear muffler, put a dual outlet 3.5 inch stainless steel tip. Let's see what it sounds like.